Welcome to DIY Hair School, and on today's video I'm going to show you that you can in fact use a giant scrunchie even if you have thin hair. So just for comparison, this is the size of scrunchie I would normally use for my hair, and this is the one we're going to use today. Now, I do recommend using a smaller scrunchie for most of the styles that I show you because it's going to be a lot easier to work with. But I do have a couple giant scrunchies because I do like that they actually give me a ton of volume. When I would use my giant scrunchies is when I want to do the simplest, most basic bun, but still have it feel fluffy and big, and you really need to make sure that you're good with your scrunchie being a visible accessory. Let's get right into it. I am just gonna throw my hair up in the most basic messy bun, and I'm gonna do it with my giant scrunchie, and then I'll show you the difference if you use the smaller scrunchie so you can see the comparison. So I'm gonna put my hair in my scrunchie. Now I do have to tie this one 3 times because my hair is not thick enough to just tie it 2. I'm gonna pull the hair half out, and obviously we're not just gonna leave it like this, right? We have to manipulate the hair. We're gonna pull and fluff the bun. I like to kind of fluff out the scrunchie as well. And then I'm really gonna loosen my base. And I'm going for like a soft, messy look. So I do like to pull some hair out when I do that. And for me, when I'm doing this most basic bun, I think the scrunchie just adds so much volume and aids in making the bun look a heck of a lot fluffier. So now let me show you it with a regular scrunchie. So this is definitely small to standard size scrunchie. These are the ones I have on my Amazon storefront. These are small enough that I can just tie them twice when I do them. I will say working with a big scrunchie in your thin hair is going to be a little tricky at first. So if you're new to working with your hair, you might want to start with a smaller one and work up to a bigger one. But here we go. We will do same style, fluff it out. Now, it's fluffy is going to be more floppy with a smaller scrunchie like this. The bigger scrunchie does a better job at supporting your hair. There we go. With the regular scrunchie, still really pretty, still really cute. Nothing wrong with it at all, but I do really like the big scrunchie for added height, added volume, and just that like poof that it gives my hair because of the volume that this adds itself. Let me know in the comments if you try both sides of scrunchies and if you have one that you prefer or which one you preferred on me today. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that gave you another tip that you can try out on your thin, fine hair so that you can really start to love and work with your hair in its natural state. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.